Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel once again. And to my French subscribers, bonjour, coucou, salut. Welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new here, my name is Deborah Diamond, an international student living in Paris. And on this channel, I share lifestyle blogs and my student life in Paris. So if you are into lifestyle blogs, this channel is for you. Please kindly subscribe. Do not scroll. Kindly subscribe for me. My microphone keeps slipping off my hand, so I just have to pin it here so that it can be a bit stable. Today's video is all about cleaning, resetting my student apartment because the week has been super busy, school work, and my space, my room, my apartment definitely shows it. So I'm just going to clean, put things in order, and then refresh my apartment again. So I thought, like, okay, why not? Let me take you guys along because yeah, we are here for lifestyle vlogs. So anything lifestyle we share. I'm going to put some stuffs in the laundry machine so that I can just have that space to do other things while it's washing. So guys, this is where I keep my creams, my body cream, my hair products, everything. This is where I keep them, and it's quite messy. I'm going to rearrange them. When it comes to shampoos, I have different brands, couple of them, like shampoo, conditioner. I make sure I buy them in pairs, so I don't normally mix products together. So if I'm getting olive, it's a whole olive set. If I'm getting a different brand, a whole set on its own. So mostly that's how I buy my product. So I got this perfume from Zara, and I think this is the second bottle I'm using. This was the first bottle I got, and this is the second one I'm using now. Do you know that it smells exactly like the YSL? I use this one on casual days, and then maybe special days I go with my YSL with a mix of Valentino. I've run out of my Valentino, so I'm going to get it later. But I just wanted to let you know that this perfume from Zara smells like this. I don't know how they did it, but it smells almost the same.